Good day students, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna talk about rectangular coordinate system. So, itong picture na to, ito po ang ating lolo, si Lolo René Descartes. So, a Cartesian plane named after French mathematician René Descartes, who formalized its use in mathematics. Defined by two perpendicular number lines, the x-axis, which is horizontal, and y-axis, which is vertical. Using this axis, we can describe any point in the using an ordered pair of numbers. Using point plotting, one associates an ordered pair of real numbers, point x and y, with a point in the plane in a one-to-one manner. As a result, one obtains the two-dimensional Cartesian coordinate system. Point x and y is an ordered pair, whose first coordinate is x, called abscissa, and the second coordinate is y, called ordinate. So here's the example of our Cartesian plane. We have two perpendicular lines. One is horizontal and one is vertical. The horizontal line is our x-axis. Sa right side ni x-axis, lahat ng numbers na makikita natin dito is always positive. And sa left side naman is always negative. The vertical line is our y-axis. Sa taas ni y-axis, lahat ng numbers na makikita natin dito is always positive. And sa baba naman is always negative. So the point of intersection in this Cartesian plane is called origin, na may coordinates na 0 and 0. X-axis and y-axis divided the plane into 4 quadrants or 4 regions. So we have quadrant 1 na merong positive x and positive y. So ibig sabihin po itong positive x and positive y, lahat ng ordered pair na makikita natin sa quadrant 1 ay merong positive and positive sign. Next, quadrant 2. Nakita natin dito is negative x and positive y. Quadrant 3, negative x and negative y. And quadrant 4 is positive x and negative y. X-intercept and y-intercept. The x-intercept is the point where the line crosses the x-axis. At this point, y is equals to 0. Next, the y-intercept is the point where the line crosses the y-axis. At this point, x is equals to 0. Here's the example of x-intercept. As you can see, the point is located along the x-axis, which is negative 4 and 0. So this will be our x-intercept. Example of y-intercept. The point is located along the y-axis, which is 0 and 2. So this will be our y-intercept. Plot the following points on the coordinate plane. Number 1, negative 3 and 4. So makikita natin siya sa, okay, very good, sa quadrant 2. Number 2, 2 and negative 3. Makikita naman natin siya sa quadrant 4. Next, 0 and 2. So makikita natin siya along the y-axis. Number 4, 4 and 0. Makikita natin siya along the x-axis. Let's try. Identify the quadrant or axis of the following. Number 1, negative 4 and negative 10. Okay, very good. Quadrant 3. Next, 5 and negative 7. Okay, very good. Quadrant 4. Next, 13 and 0. Okay, very good. It is located along the x-axis. So next, 60 and 37. Okay, very good. Quadrant 1. So next, 0 and negative 93. Okay, very good. It is located along the y-axis. Next, negative 399 and 173. Okay, very good. Makikita natin siya sa quadrant 2. Linear equation in two variables. An equation in a form of ax plus by equals c is called a linear equation in two variables, where a, b, and c are constant, and at least one of a and b are not zero. This is also referred to as the standard form of linear equations. The symbols x and y are variables that represent any number that will satisfy the equation. Example number 1. Which of the following ordered pairs will make the equation 2x plus 3y equals 32 is true? Number 1, 4 and 10. Number 2, 10 and 4. Let's try example number 1, ordered pair of 4 and 10. Solution for the first ordered pair, x equals to 4 and y is equals to 10. 2x plus 3y equals to 32. Substitute the value of x and y, so it will become 2 times 4 plus 3 times 10 equals to 32. So it will become 8 plus 30 equals 32. 8 plus 30 is equals to 38. And 38 equals 32. No, 38 is not equal to 32. Therefore, the ordered pair 4 and 10 did not make the equation true. Let's try number 2, ordered pair 10 and 4. Solution for the second ordered pair, x equals 10 and y equals 4. 2x plus 3y equals 32. Substitute the value of x and y. So we have 2 times 10 plus 3 times 4 equals to 32. 20 plus 12 equals to 32. 32 equals 32. So this is true. The ordered pair 10 and 4 is the solution of the equation. So this is our table of values. So makikita nyo dito, ang value ng x natin is given na, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or pwede rin po kayong gumamit ng ibang numbers dyan. Kayo bahala kung anong trick nyo. Hindi ko kayo papakailangan. So let's find the value of y using this table of values. So we have equation of x plus y equals to 3. So substitute the value of x. So it will become 1 plus y equals 3. Then transpose 1. Kapag nag-transpose po tayo, okay, very good. Mag-change din po siya ng sign. So magiging y equals 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. So meron na po tayong ordered pair na x and y, which is 1 and 2. Next, x is equals to 2, then substitute the value of x, so magiging 2 plus y equals to 3. So transpose ulit natin si 2, okay, very good, magiging negative ulit. So magiging y equals 3 minus 2, then the value of y is equals to 1. Next, ganun pa rin po gagawin natin, substitute the value of x, 3 plus y equals to 3, then transpose 3. So magiging y equals 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. Next, number 4. 4 plus y equals to 3. magiging y equals to 3 minus 4. Y is equals to negative 1. Next, 5 plus y equals to 3. So, magiging y equals to 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 is equals to negative 2. So, meron na po tayong nabuong limang ordered pair, which is 1 and 2, 2 and 1, 3 and 0, 4 and negative 1, and 5 and negative 2. Plot the points in one coordinate plane. 1 and 2, 2 and 1, 3, 0, 4 and negative 1, and 5 and negative 2. So let's plot the point of linear equation of x plus y equals to 3. So we have 1 and 2, 2 and 1, 3 and 0, 4 and negative 1, and 5 and negative 2. After po nyan, i-connect natin lahat ng point. So, makakabuo tayo ng straight line. So, ito po yung itsura ng graph natin na equation natin na x plus y equals to 3. Next, slope of the line. So, the slope of the line is a number that measures its stiffness or yung takip niya. It is also characterized the direction of the line. It is determined by the rise over the run between points. Note, if the run is going to right, it is positive. And if the run is going to left, it is negative. If the rise is going up, it is positive. And if the run is going down, it is negative. So this is the graph of x plus y equals to 1. So we have 2 points here. So we have negative 3 and 2. And 0.3 and negative 4. So let's find the slope. Slope equals rise over run. So from 0.3 and negative 4, bilang po tayo pa left hanggang sa tapat ni point negative 3 and 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 run. So dahil pakaliwa tayo, means negative 6. Next, rise naman tayo. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6. Then 6 divided by negative 6 is equals to negative 1. So pwede rin po kayo mag-umpisa dito sa kanila. Unahin natin yung rise. So kapag binilang niyo po yung rise niya, is the same lang po. So makakuha po kayo ng 6. Then makakuha pa rin kayo ng negative 6. Equals to negative 1 pa rin. The graph of the equation negative 2x plus 3y equals negative 5 is a line that rises to the right. Yung kanina example natin, it is rises to the left. So find the slope of negative 2x plus 3y equals negative 5. So start tayo sa negative 2 and negative 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6. Positive siya kasi going to right tayo. Next, rise naman. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4. Positive siya kasi pataas tayo. So simplify 4 over 6. So we have 2 and 3. So we have 2/3. Pwede rin kayo magsimula dito sa kabila. So same pa rin po yung makukuha natin answer. Note, if the line rises to the right, the slope is positive. If the line rises to the left, the slope is negative. Tandaan niyo po lagi yan. Given only 2 points, x sub 1, y sub 1, and x sub 2, y sub 2, without the graph, you can find the slope of the line using the formula m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Example, find the slope of the line that passes through point -3 and 2 and point 3 and -4. Solution, x sub 1 equals -3, y sub 1 equals 2, x sub 2 equals 3, y sub 2 equals -4. Formula, m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Substitute the value. So we have -4 minus 2 over 3 minus -3. -6 over 6. So -6 over 6 is equals to Example number 2. Find the slope of the line that passes through point 17 and -13 and 17 and 8. Solution, x sub 1 equals 17, y sub 1 equals -13, x sub 2 equals 17, y sub 2 equals 8. The slope equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So let's substitute the value. X minus -13 over 17 minus 17. 8 minus -13 will become 8 plus 13. Magkadikit po kasi yung dalawang negative. So, negative times negative equals positive. 8 plus 13 equals 21. 17 minus 17 equals 0. So, we have 21 over 0. Remember, all numbers divided by 0 is always undefined. Example number 3. Find the slope of the line passes through point -4 and 7 and point -6 and -4. Solution, x sub 1 equals -4, y sub 1 equals 7, x sub 2 equals -6, y sub 2 equals -4. M equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Let's substitute the value. So we have -4 minus 7 over -6 minus -4. -4 minus 7 equals -11. -6 minus -4 equals -2. So we have -11 over -2. But according sa rules of division of integers, the quotient of two negative integers is positive. So we have -11 divided by -2. So it will become 11 over 2.